In this tutorial, you will learn how to export STL files from your myitero.com portal. Today we'll focus on orthodontic cases. Before exporting STL files, make sure you follow these requirements. Disable any pop-up blockers or browser extensions that might prevent the STL or PLY file from being exported. Clear your browser cache in your browser settings. We'll show the steps in Google Chrome. Other browsers may look slightly different. If the scan is still in ortho modeling for iCast, wait until the order status is completed. Log into my itero.com portal with the same username and password used to log into the scanner. Click on Patients. Search for the patient's name in the list. And click on the Export button. In the pop-up window, select the export details. Pick one of the two available export types. OpenShell exports a 3D mesh with 0 wall thickness, suitable for all procedure types. Solid Model with low profile base exports a closed 3D mesh, suitable for study models, iRecord including iCast, and Invisalign procedures. Next, pick one of the 3 available data formats. Arches combined, locked in byte relation, both arches in a single file locked in byte position. File per arch, arches oriented in occlusion. Save each arch in a separate file. The upper arch with the teeth pointing down and the lower arch with the teeth pointing up. This is the recommended format. File per arch, each arch with teeth up. Save each arch in a separate file. Both arches with the teeth pointing up. And finally, pick one of the 3 available file types. STL, no color. The 3D files will be exported without any color. This is the recommended file type. PLY color, the 3D files will include color. STL and PLY, both colored and uncolored files will be downloaded. Click on Export. In case you are not sure what to select, contact with your lab directly. The download may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, you will find a zip folder in your downloads. Share the zip with your lab or extract the STL files for in-house production. Note that you can set default export details to match your lab preferences or your in-house 3D printer. For more information or assistance, contact your local iTero support team at itero.com. It starts with iTero.